I'm gonna make this laser. Go to Google, look for Google Forms, go and sign in because that's all you need to do. If you're signed in, click on blank form to create a new one. And ultimately, this is where you create the questions, right? Like questions, whatever you want, right? Um, questions. And when you click on questions, you go to name, for example, and automatically it updates this, but you can always change it to anything you want here based on your data. Click on plus here and you create new questions. They have options to add pictures and other text and whatever you want. So name and contract, for example, right? And it's going to be a short answer. We can change it to a drop down, multiple choices, whatever you want. It's up to you. Then we'll click on publish. And on publish, you will say publish. You don't have to do anything with this. It's okay. It's a link at the top. I normally click on shorten. You copy it, right? And then you're done. Now you go copy that link. That link is in here. Now you can answer it, your name, sunshine, right? Whatever you want to do. And the contract smells, right? Click on submit, go back to your original form. You'll notice there's a response here. The response is here, sunshine and smells. What I normally do is click on links, Google Sheets, and this is your form, whatever, right? Forms. You name this whatever you want. Click on create. Now it creates a Google Sheet so you can actually look at the data in a more data driven way. You see a timestamp, blah, blah, blah. Now you go back here and you're all set to go. I normally update my questions here, right? This is questions, update that. I normally put something here to make sure I know what I'm talking about, and you save it. That is pretty much it. I tried to be laser. Cheers.